Hi, today also we discussed previous CTET question. Now our question is a minus b plus c whole square minus a minus b minus c whole square by b minus a. Now in this question a minus b you take p. In this also a minus b you take p. So now p plus c whole square minus p minus c whole square is equal to 4pc. So in this 4, p means a minus b into c. Now our problem by b minus a. In this common minus, so 4 into b minus a c by b minus a. So b minus a cancel. So our answer is minus 4c. So this is minus 4c. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe my channel.